How to fix screen rotation not working in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here sensor test. First of all, install this sensor test app. After install this app, then install accelerometer and install this accelerometer test app. After install this app, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general management and then click on reset. Now scroll down and click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.